M1A2 Abrams. The M1A2 Abrams main battle tank represents the pinnacle of American armored warfare and the embodiment of U.S. armored dominance. An evolution of the M1A1, it integrates depleted uranium armor and advanced digital systems to enhance crew awareness, protection, and combat efficiency. Powered by a Honeywell AGT 1500 turbine engine, producing 1,500 horsepower, the Abrams wields the 120mm M256 smoothbore cannon, a weapon capable of destroying even the most heavily fortified targets. Its exceptional balance of firepower, armor, and mobility makes it the cornerstone of American armored forces. During the Gulf War, Abrams tanks decimated Iraqi armor, often engaging and destroying enemy vehicles from beyond their range. However, despite its battlefield superiority, the Abrams faces challenges in dense urban environments, where the risk of close-range ambushes and the demands of fuel and maintenance logistics can limit its effectiveness. M2A1 Bradley. The M2 Bradley fighting vehicle combines the roles of troop transport and fire support, carrying up to 10 soldiers into battle. It is equipped with a 25mm Bushmaster cannon, armor-piercing and anti-armor missiles, and powered by a 600 horsepower engine. Its strong armor and versatile weapon systems make it ideal for mechanized infantry operations, allowing troops to engage immediately after dismounting. During the Gulf War, Bradleys proved their effectiveness by destroying more Iraqi armored vehicles than M1 Abrams tanks, though they also suffered notable friendly fire incidents that led to the development of improved identification systems. Today, the Bradley remains a core workhorse of modern mechanized infantry formations. Buffalo Mine Clearance Vehicle. The Buffalo Mine Protected Clearance Vehicle is built for one purpose: survival in hazardous terrain. With a six-wheeled configuration, a V-shaped hull, and armor weighing 76,000 pounds, it resists powerful explosions from mines and improvised devices. Its 30-foot robotic arm, equipped with cameras and sensors, allows crews to inspect and clear roads without exposing themselves to danger. A Caterpillar C-13 engine drives the Buffalo to speeds up to 55 miles per hour, combining raw size with operational precision. Stryker. The Stryker combat vehicle serves as the U.S. Army's 8-wheeled troop transporter, balancing speed and protection. It can withstand machine gun fire and now includes cannons and anti-tank missile systems. During the Iraq War, Strykers proved highly mobile for urban patrols, yet early models were vulnerable to roadside bombs until the introduction of the double V hull design improved blast protection. The vehicle's evolution demonstrates how battlefield adaptation turns a versatile carrier into a frontline asset. M109A7 Howitzer. The M109A7 Paladin self-propelled howitzer is the U.S. Army's modern evolution of its long-serving artillery platform, upgraded from the earlier M109A6 model. It features a modernized chassis, advanced digital fire control systems, improved armor protection, and enhanced electronics for greater reliability and accuracy. Capable of firing 75-pound shells at targets miles away, the Paladin provides long-range precision fire that anchors ground operations and supports both offensive and defensive missions. In Iraq and Afghanistan, it proved invaluable in base defense and during coordinated assaults, delivering sustained firepower when mobility was limited. Despite its strengths, the M109A7 faces logistical challenges, including heavy fuel consumption and reduced mobility on rough terrain. Yet its unmatched firepower continues to serve as a cornerstone of U.S. ground strategy. AAV-7. The AAV-7 amphibious assault vehicle supports the Marine Corps by bridging sea and land operations. It carries a crew of 3 and up to 25 Marines, covering up to 20 nautical miles in the water or 300 miles on land. Its onboard weapons include a 25mm Bushmaster cannon, a 40mm grenade launcher, and a 50 caliber machine gun. Its top land speed of 45 miles per hour ensures rapid deployment from ship to shore. LAV-25. The LAV-25 light armored vehicle is the Marine Corps' versatile amphibious scout and combat vehicle, designed to bridge land and sea operations with speed and adaptability. Featuring 8 wheels and powered by a Detroit diesel engine generating 275 horsepower, it can reach 62 miles per hour on land and 6 miles per hour in water. Armed with a 25mm chain gun and a 7.62mm machine gun, It provides significant firepower while maintaining high mobility. The LAV-25 excels in quick strike, reconnaissance, and security missions, often operating ahead of main forces to gather intelligence or engage light threats. During early Iraq operations, LAVs played crucial roles in screening and scouting missions, demonstrating their flexibility in varied terrain. However, their lighter armor limits survivability against heavy anti-tank fire, making tactical positioning and speed essential to their effectiveness. Oshkosh MMRS. The Oshkosh MMRS demonstrator, short for Multi-Mission Recovery System, is a specialized heavy recovery vehicle designed to rescue large or overturned assets from the battlefield. Weighing 50 tons and built with a 10-wheel drive configuration, it is engineered for stability and power in rugged environments. Its extendable boom arm reaches 40 feet and can lift and recover MRAPs, large tactical trucks, and tracked vehicles weighing up to 10,000 pounds. The MMRS's purpose-built design allows for rapid recovery operations even under fire, emphasizing automation and efficiency. Though still experimental, it represents the military's shift toward advanced, high-capacity recovery systems capable of sustaining frontline operations under extreme conditions. Black Knight Transformer. The Black Knight Transformer stands as one of the most futuristic prototypes on record. Developed by Advanced Tactics, it combines a ground vehicle with the ability to take flight. On land, it reaches 70 miles per hour. In the air, it can ascend to 10,000 feet. Though still experimental, the concept envisions resupply, troop extraction, and even casualty evacuation missions where traditional vehicles cannot go. MRAP Assaults. The MRAP assault vehicle, produced by Oshkosh, was designed to improve mobility and protection in off-road environments. Its independent suspension system handles rough terrain with ease. It can transport up to 11 soldiers and supports weapon configurations that include Javelin missiles and M249 machine guns. This vehicle merges the agility of a light truck with the survivability of an armored carrier, optimized for unpredictable modern warfare. Cougar 6x6. The Cougar 6x6 has earned its reputation as a battlefield survivor. Its V-shaped hull effectively redirects blasts from improvised explosive devices, and its armor can even withstand rocket-propelled grenades. The vehicle can carry 10 passengers and perform multiple roles, from convoy escort and reconnaissance to medical evacuation. With a Caterpillar C7 engine generating 330 horsepower, it can stay operational even after sustaining damage, returning to duty within hours after repairs. M117 Guardian. The M117 Guardian serves when the mission calls for something stronger than a Humvee, but lighter than a tank. It weighs about 15 tons and runs on a Cummins diesel engine generating roughly 260 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque. Capable of reaching 65 miles per hour, it combines mobility with protection. Its armament includes both machine guns and an automated grenade launcher, making it effective in both patrol and convoy defense roles. M1 Shredder. The M1 Shredder, known as the Assault Breacher vehicle, repurposes the chassis of the M1 tank into a specialized engineering powerhouse. Instead of fighting enemy armor directly, it clears obstacles and detonates mines. Its 1,500 horsepower engine allows it to bulldoze through barriers, while its equipment suite includes plows, rollers, and a mine-clearing line charge. Despite carrying machine guns and smoke grenades, it is primarily a support platform enabling safe passage for advancing forces. Avenger Weapon System. The Avenger Weapon System provides mobile air defense for ground forces. Mounted typically on a Humvee chassis, it houses 8 Stinger missiles capable of striking helicopters and low-flying aircraft. Its key advantage lies in its ability to track and engage targets, even while moving. Originally built by Boeing, the Avenger remains a crucial component of short-range air defense networks. M88 Hercules. The M88 Hercules recovery vehicle is one of the most powerful armored recovery platforms in the U.S. arsenal. Designed to retrieve disabled tanks and heavy vehicles, it combines brute strength with battlefield endurance. The Hercules variant, known as the M88A2, features upgraded armor, stronger winches, and enhanced suspension systems. It has served in multiple conflicts, from Vietnam and the Arabian Gulf to Iraq and Afghanistan, where it has been essential for recovering Abrams tanks and other damaged machinery under fire. Camel MRAP. The Camel MRAP, short for Concept for Advanced Military Explosion Mitigating Land Vehicle, represents a prototype that pushed the limits of troop safety. Its V-shaped hull, refined from years of combat experience in the Middle East, channels explosive forces away from the cabin. Designed as a technology demonstrator by the Detroit Arsenal, it showcases advancements in blast resistance and crew protection, setting the groundwork for future MRAP designs. M142 HIMARS. The M142 HIMARS, or High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, delivers precision firepower with speed and versatility. Mounted on a 5-ton truck frame, it carries 6 rockets or a single ATACMS missile. HIMARS provides the same firepower as larger rocket systems like the M270 MLRS, but with superior mobility. Its ability to fire, relocate, and reload within minutes makes it invaluable for rapid strike operations, where timing and range determine survival. M9 Armored. The M9 Armored Combat Earth Mover, or ACE, is a compact, tracked engineering vehicle that supports frontline units. Operated by a single soldier, it performs critical construction tasks, clearing obstacles, repairing roads, shaping terrain, and digging defensive positions. Its armor allows it to work under fire, while its hydraulic blade and dozer systems transform battlefields into defensible zones. Visibility is limited, demanding exceptional skill from its operators, but its contribution to mobility and defense is unmatched. Kinetic Q Raider. The Kinetic Q Raider 1 Engineer is a remote-controlled 4-wheel drive platform used for explosive ordnance and obstacle clearance. Based on a Polaris MVRS 700, it can be operated from a distance of roughly 1,000 yards. Its robotic rollers are mine-resistant, and it is capable of neutralizing improvised explosive devices autonomously. The Raider 1 combines robotic precision with rugged mobility, supporting engineers and reducing human exposure to threats. Humvee. The Humvee, or High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle, is the symbol of U.S. ground mobility. Lightweight, diesel-powered, and adaptable, it can carry troops, weapons, or communications gear across deserts, forests, and cities. First introduced in the late 1980s, it replaced the Jeep and became the foundation for countless military roles. Later versions added armored cabins and gun turrets to improve survivability in modern combat zones, making it one of the most recognizable vehicles in military history. If you think these machines define American power, wait until you see the elite forces that operate behind them. Tap into our breakdown of every U.S. Special Operations Force explained in detail, and discover how they compare on the battlefield.